Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Forerunner 55 to an Android phone. First, you'll need to download the Garmin Connect application from your phone's App Store. This free app is essential for managing your watch. Next, make sure your Android phone has Bluetooth turned on. Finally, power on your Forerunner 55 watch. It should have some charge, or you can connect it to its charging cable. With the Garmin Connect app open, navigate to the menu and select Garmin Devices, then Add Device. On your Forerunner 55, press and hold the up button to access the menu. Scroll down to Phone, select it, then choose Pair Phone. Your watch will now enter pairing mode, displaying an animation or a pairing code. Keep your phone and watch close, within 10 meters or 33 feet. Your Garmin Connect app should now automatically detect your Forerunner 55. If it doesn't, you might need to manually select it from a list of available devices. A 6-digit pairing code will appear on your watch screen. Enter this code into the app on your phone. Once confirmed, the app will guide you through a few final setup steps, such as setting your preferred activity tracker and sleep times. Congratulations! Your Garmin Forerunner 55 is now successfully paired with your Android phone. Your watch will begin syncing data, including your activities, health metrics, and notifications, directly to the Garmin Connect app. You can now customize watch settings, explore training plans, and review your progress all from your phone. Remember to keep the Garmin Connect app running in the background for seamless, continuous data synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.